Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Windows cannot access shared folder Windows 11. We will start by opening the File Explorer. After this, right-click on the drive with the error and select Properties. Now you are going to go to the Security tab and click on Edit. After that, click on Add. Here, click on Advanced. Click on the Find Now button and select everyone from the list. Click OK again to confirm. Now select this new profile everyone and check the box Full Control. Click Apply and OK to save the changes. Finally, select every one of them and check that you have full control of the drive. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.